What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a high fade on my client Chino, so stay tuned. Starting off with our gold FX, we're going to create our first guideline. We're going to make sure we contour to his head shape. Now that we're done balding him out, we're going to use some shave sticks so he doesn't bump up. Using our rose gold FX foil shavers, we're going to make it as bald as possible. Using our 1A blade, we're going to debulk the top. Now that we're done debulking the top, we're going to move on to our OA blade. To help us to remove the initial guideline, we're going to use our 3-op and our 4-op blades. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Once we're done blending out the initial guideline, we're going to move on to our 1 blade. There were a few dark spots that I saw, so I went back to my 3-op blade just to get them out. Moving on to the back side of the head, we're going to use our 3-op to remove our initial guideline. Switching over to our OA, we're gonna remove this little dark line that I see. Using the number 1 blade will help you blend into the 1/8. Using our gold FX, we're going to line them up and keep it as natural as possible. Before we use our Turkish razor, we're going to apply some elegant shave gel. You always want to make sure you stretch your skin as much as possible.